Hey guys, welcome to Gravity Productions. This is our third video on Reed's plant series. This video features fish basket made out of Reed's plant. This basket is generally used to store dry fish. You guys enjoy the video? I'm going to enjoy some dry fish. This video is not only about fish basket weaving, but it is a story of love that has been bound by the strands of a basket. Yes, Satyakala is from Tamil Nadu and she fell in love with Jay Krishnan, a weaver from Madurai in Tamil Nadu. They had to move to Kerala to sustain their craft and family. This family's love for their craft had given them a job to live happily as they desired. First, the strands of the reed's plant of considerable length are taken and arranged to resemble the spokes of a clock. Then, another strand is used to lock the base and help the base become stronger and larger. They are tightly woven into shape. It is then locked with another strand in alternative circles. The length of the spokes determine the size of the basket. Slowly, as the basket base is set, the worker begins to bend the spokes to create the shape of the basket. Then the worker lays out of the pattern and works up in concurrent circles. Then the worker lays out the pattern and works up in congruent circles. More reed strands are added to layer it up and create the required shape. Reed's plant is used because of its flexibility and long-lasting properties. Also, unlike metal containers, the food particles do not react with the reed's basket. It also doesn't let the bacteria and fungus destroy the food item stored in the basket. Dried fish is a dish that is famous in Kerala and is a good combination with tapioca. For those who want to know about how tapioca is cultivated, see our most trending video on tapioca cultivation. The fish basket has a unique shape. It is larger in the bottom and becomes narrow to the top. The fish basket has a unique shape. It is larger in the bottom and becomes narrow in the top, which allows it to carry a good amount of dried fish. And the larger opening is good enough for the hand to go in. This can also keep the pets out of the basket. Greener reed strands are added to the basket to create an interesting pattern. The spikes that poke out in the exterior of the basket are plugged away to keep it safe, as sharp reeds plant can create cuts. The excess of the strands is bent inward and inserted into the gaps in the basket. The excess is cut away. The spokes are then arranged that resemble a cycle wheel, where the spokes touch each other in the center. It is then locked with another strand in alternate circles. This increases the stability of the base and locks it like a puzzle. The basket is ready, but the specialty of the fish basket is its lid. The next step is to make the lid of the basket. With years of experience, the worker knows the length for the spokes and cut them with precision. The spokes are then arranged that resembles a cycle. The spokes are then arranged that resembles a cycle wheel, where the spokes touch each other in the center. It is then locked with another strand in alternate circles. This increases the stability of the base and locks it like a puzzle. The worker then places the circular base to know if the lid covers the opening. If it is right, the worker begins to bend the lid and work concurrent circles and build the rest of the lid. While making the lid, green thin strands are added, as it is much more bendy and creates a pattern that is appealing to the eye. The lid is then attached to the basket using a long strand in the form of a handle. In this way, it connects the lid and the basket. This is the story of love and basket which fought all odds to be in a harmonious state.
We've reached 14,000 subscribers. We thank each and everyone who have helped us and watched our video. We are grateful for it. Stay tuned for our new video in Craftspeople Productions.